श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। वेलकम टू साई सर्वस्वम। In last video we discussed about a remedy which related to controlling of our mind, how to control our mind, stability, how to get stability. Today we are going to know the remedy which is related to financial problems. By the grace of Sai Baba, when you perform these remedies with good confidence levels, definitely it give a good result as soon as possible. Because financial crisis is most dangerous in a human life. Because sometimes it may lead to suicidal thoughts, and sometimes it may lead to depression. Sometimes it may lead to loneliness. It ruins our happiness in our life. So this is a dangerous problem for a common public. How to get rid of this particular problem, that is the major important fact. One thing I can say surely, don't lose your confidence at any cost, at any cost. In our life, the vital role is confidence. When we lose this, everything will be lost. We feel that we lose everything. We are not having anything. We lost our people, we lost our money, we lost our prestige. We become worthless. So, to bring confidence, to come out from these financial problems, now I am going to tell you one remedy which helps you to come out from this particular problem. I will tell you one mantra. You chant this mantra. Om Rim R-I-M Lam L-U-M Trim T-R-I-M Sri Sai Ekadasi Namaha. Om Rim Lam Trim Sri Sai Ekadasi Namaha. You chant this mantra daily 108 times, morning or evening. You sit anywhere, while traveling, anytime, chant this mantra. And take bay leaf every Thursday. You take 4 bay leaves. Put in your hand like this, hold like this 4 bay leaves. Chant this mantra for 11 times and tell your sankalpa, that means your wish in your mind. After that, you put this bay leaves in front of Sai Baba or you are in Puja Mandir or place somewhere in your house. Every Thursday, for 10 Thursdays you do this, you perform this bay leaf. After 10 Thursdays, if you have possibility to file this bay leaves, you can fire with a campfire. Otherwise, you can throw it in a water also after completing 10,000 days. That means 40 bay leaves will come. If you fire these bay leaves, black ash like this will come out, and put that black ash on your forehead, tilak like this. While take it, you put this tilak on your forehead in night times also, if any difficulty is there. So you practice this, I can say definitely you will be come out from your financial problems by the grace of Sai Baba. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Sarvam Sri Sai Nathārpanamastu. Jai Sai Nath.
సాయి దివ్య రక్షా కవచ యంత్రానికి స్వర్ణ కవచం, స్వర్ణ తాపడం మనం చేయించబోతూ ఉన్నాం. ఆ సముద్రంలో బాబా స్వర్ణ రత్న ఖచ్చిత సింహాసనంలో కూర్చున్న అధ్యాయం నిజంగా ఒక అపురూప ఘట్టం. ఆ ఘట్టాన్ని మన మాన్సింహ సంస్థను ఆవిష్కరించబోతున్నాం. అత్యంత అద్భుతంగా సాయి దివ్య రక్షా కవచ యంత్రాన్ని స్వర్ణమయం చేయబోతూ ఉన్నాం. ఇది నిజంగా ఒక అపురూప ఘట్టం. ప్రపంచ శాంతి కోసం ఆ దైవిక శక్తిని పరిపూర్ణంగా మనం పొందటం కోసం చేస్తున్న ఒక గొప్ప మహాయజ్ఞం. ఈ యజ్ఞంలో మీరందరూ నాతో కలిసి రండి. ఆ సాయినాథుడు కృపకు పాత్రలు కండి. జై సాయినాథ్.